Hey, sixth grade, Mrs. Heskett here. Yep, that was me after Duke lost. I'm kidding. I didn't cry. I didn't get that upset. But anyhow, chapter 7, lesson 6. Yep, it's lunchtime, getting this done during my break. So using algebraic expressions, let's look and see what we're doing today. So Joanna makes and sells candles online. She charges $7 per candle and shipping is $5 per order. Write an expression that Joanna can use to find the total cost of any candle order. So we're going to let n represent the number of candles. And you can always use any variable you want. So, but n equals number, and number starts with n, so that one makes sense for this one. So let n represent the number of candles a customer buys when n is a whole number greater than 0. So the cost of per order equals the charge per candle. And how much was it per candle? Well, $7 per candle. And we're going to take that times the number of candles, which is n. And then we're going to add that one-time shipping charge. So the shipping charge doesn't matter how many candles you order, it's $5 total for all, no matter how many candles, from 1 to 7 to 10 to whatever. So an expression, now we're going to make this into an expression. So we have 7 times n plus 5. And that's how you write an expression from a word problem. So let's look at another example. We have another one. Louisa read that the highest elevation of Mount Everest is 8,848 meters. She wants to know how much higher Mount Everest is than Mount Rainier. Use the information for problem 1 and 2. Okay, write an expression that represents the difference in heights of the two mountains. Tell what the variable in your expression represents. So let me put a text box here real quick. And we will have, so write an expression. We're going to have how high was the mountain? It was 8,848 meters. And we need to see how much less Mount Rainier was. So we're going to subtract R from that for Mount Rainier. We need to find the difference between Mount Everest and Mount Rainier. So that would be our expression. And now that R equals the height of Mount Rainier. That's all you have to do on that one. And then on 2, we would actually, Louisa reaches the highest elevation of Mount Rainier and finds that it is 4,392 meters. Use your expression to find the difference in the mountain's height. So this is where you would take, we found that Mount Rainier is this high, 4,392 meters. So now we substitute that in for R. So we'd have 8,848 meters high is how tall Mount Everest is. And we're going to subtract 4,392 from that, which was Mount Rainier, to find out that that equals 4,456 meters. So that would be the difference. So read through, know what you know about adding, multiplying, subtracting, dividing when you write your problems. Now that you've watched this video, go to Google Classroom and complete the Khan Academy assignment. Check under math. Have a good day. Oh, by the way, I'm going for Auburn now in the Final Four. We'll see how they do.